Looking to get away? To find that perfect destination that sends you into the land of comfortable bliss? Then it might be time to escape to your own home. A familiar retreat so pleasant, there's no passport required. Traveling to your living room. Our comfort advisors from 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning will make sure your seat backs and tray tables are always set to comfortable. With our 1 hour maintenance checklist, you'll be on an island of comfort in no time.
Why deal with the baggage of airports?
When the perfect temperature is right here at home.
When you need to relax, remember, with 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning, comfort is on the house.
201, take 3, Mark.
Got it. And set. Palms up just a touch. Good. Right there. Shimmy. And action.
Nice.
This is amazing.
This is great.
Yes. That was lovely.
Great.